Aseptic technique for replacing gloves. Use a pair of clean disposable gloves. Make sure there is a pair of unused outer gloves inside the work chamber before beginning. Place hands in the glove ports. Wipe gloves, sleeves, and surrounding work areas with IPA solution or a cold sterilant. Using the thumb to firmly hold down the cuff of the first glove, remove the nitrile O-ring that holds down the glove. Carefully bring the cuff of the glove down to the edge of the gray cuff ring. Turn the glove towards the inside of the sleeve. Install the new glove over the cuff of the used gloves. Place the O-ring over the cuff of the new glove only. Remove the used glove by pulling it through the inside of the sleeve. Wipe the gloves, sleeves, and surrounding work area with an IPA solution or a cold sterilant. Allow the unit to run for 1 minute prior to use. If you prefer, you have a second method to change the gloves. Using a pair of clean disposable gloves, open the front panel. Use your two hands to change and replace the used gloves. Close the front panel. Wipe the gloves, sleeves, and surrounding working area with IPA solution or a cold sterilant. Allow the unit to run for 1 minute prior to use.